go. Look at that.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's 5:30 in the morning. I've just climbed down the Caterham. Not very gracefully admittedly because the roof's on. It's just started drizzling. And I'm heading up to Wales to go and do some filming with this. I mean, partly just to go and have some fun with the Caterham, but also hopefully get some good footage on film. I'm meeting up with my buddy Dave on the way up there. And yeah, hopefully it should be a good day if it stops raining. I wish this had an interior light. Sorry everyone. So M4 services, I've just looked at the map. I did leave a little bit early. Dave's obviously gone full send as well, and he literally must be coming down the slip road. He can't be far away. Tell you what, it's not a fashion parade in one of these. I've had my hat on to keep my back of my neck a bit warmer. Gloves on, just take a bit of vibration out of the steering wheel. After about an hour and a half of tiny bit of vibration in the steering wheel gets a bit annoying, so just put some gloves on. Also, I've worked out, if you don't tuck the door in, so the door's supposed to be in there, but obviously if it's raining, that will let the rain in. It's supposed to be on the outside. If you don't tuck the door in, you get a lovely little breeze coming through the cabin, stops it getting a little bit musty in here. But right, let's go and find Dave, get some breakfast. One, two.
Copy that.
Yeah, boy. Oh, sat on my phone. Hang on. Oh, every time. Basically, once you put your harnesses on,
yeah,
you've normally got to take them off and put them back on again about another 4 times.
I'm not jealous yet. I must say.
So what are you?
Quite happy.
So what are you doing now? You're getting back in your Tesla.
Yeah.
Self-driving.
Yeah, I'm going to listen to a podcast.
Listen to a podcast. Watch.
Give it a shut eye.
And watch a film. I feel like I'm about to land an aircraft.
Is this mirror all right?
Yeah, that one's fine, mate. Yeah, go on, pop a shut. Put the arm of my coat down there, stop the draft. Oh, dude. So, we've just popped into Cardiff. Gonna find a Tesla supercharger, top up Dave's Tesla, probably top tacked up on this as well because we're heading into deepest, darkest Wales. And there might not be any fuel stations about. Whoa. Wow, right, that's Dave charged up. Roof is off. I'm gonna get sunburnt. Mate, Wales and the sun shining, what's cracking? Stopped off to do some car admin myself a little car wash. What I have found is that this little gear gaiter is perfect for your earplugs and your charging adapters, because there's literally no glove box, no little trays or whatever. I guess you could probably put some bigger things in the handbrake gaiter as well. Bonus, just having a little charge up on my cameras. Also, top tip, mega mount phone holder clips perfectly on this little lip on the dash. There we go, Caterham consumer advice. Yeah, Dave's plugged in, he's just having a little top up, and we're going to go and find a jet wash. Dave said he was going to find us some good rows, but I thought they were pretty Cheers, Jace. I just popped to see my buddy Jason at Bilf Wales Toyota. Come and use his jet wash. Come and get this crap off. But he's just packed up and he's gone home, so we're going to go and find the jet wash around the corner.
So Rick's showing off his ace lance skills.
I'll tell you what, this stuff smells better than my shower gel, right?
I think it's Radox.
Right, that's the car washed and fueled, and me fed, Dave fed, Dave charged. Now we're going to go for a little blast up another cool stretch of road. He's taking the doors off because it'll look cooler on camera, and let's do a send. Whew. Oh, that's actually really refreshing when the doors on. It's very much more windy without the doors on. Nicked my doors and now I'm cold. I've even got the heater going. Oh, she's fresh. My legs are nice and warm. My arms are freezing.
I'm going to jump in there if I can. Nice.
Wales, you have delivered again. Look at this. What do we reckon of the location, Dave? As good as it gets, really.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this.
They closed the road especially for us.
It's just for us, mate. I know. Literally no traffic. Amazing. Look at that.
Oh, hello, mate. Can we help you? I'm Rick. You alright? I didn't see you indicating.
Wow. Harsh.
They're a bit sheepish, aren't they?
He hasn't seen us. He hasn't seen us.
He hasn't seen or heard.
Hello, 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 hello. No.
Hello. All right.
Oh.
Hello. You alright?
Not very friendly around here. Apparently it's a no-through road, Dave. What do we reckon? Come on, mate. Look at this. Perfect, perfect photo opportunity. Doesn't get any better. Come on.
Mate, hear those planks are rattling. Doesn't sound so.
Look at this. And we've been tracked down by some other Caterham locals. They gave us a toot as they came down the mountain pass. They stopped for a chat.
They're nice, aren't they? Yeah.
I'm not sure what's going on here, but we've got motorbikes turning up. Dave's getting his drone out. Our Caterham friends turned up. I wonder if there's some sort of view around here. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Here we go. Look at that. Come on. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, mate, look at that. Mate, look at that. Just get yourself there for the kick. It's the colour of the sky this time of night. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's awesome when it starts dropping. 5 minutes later, another epic location. What I love about this, other than my voice, it's completely silent this side. And then literally 10 steps. I don't know if you're picking that on camera, but there's like a thunderous like ground shaking of the water coming through there. And then just around the corner, hello, will be this cheeky young thing. Just getting those final money shots from the dam. Mate, where is he? There he is. any better than this. Massive dam with a cool waterfall. Caterham. More rapids, and wait for it, a John Deere. Boom. Well, there you go guys, what an end to a mega day. Final shots of the day, little Caterham there, bottom of the dam. Massive shout out to my buddy Dave, got out the drone, got out all the camera stuff. Thank you to Wales. The scenery today has been absolutely epic. Who'd have thought that when I left home at 5:30 this morning in the rain after about 2 hours sleep that we'd end up in the sunshine in deepest, darkest Wales. It's been brilliant. Massive shout out to my buddy Dave for capturing the day, getting all the drone stuff, mega pictures, all that sort of stuff. I don't know why I'm sorting my hair out. Absolute waste of time. There's not much of it, and it's going to get blown around once I get back in the Caterham. Also, massive shout out to Caterham for lending me their brand spanking new Caterham 310R. It's been absolutely flawless, and yeah, it's just been absolutely brilliant. And if you haven't already guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Took me off to shake.
He said he likes 420 more.
Hello everyone, I was just wondering if anyone had a secret code which turns a Caterham into a self-driving Tesla that's got a radio and some creature comforts when you've been up since 5:30 and you've still got 3 hours to drive home from Wales and it's just started raining again. Asking for a friend.